Hello, everyone. Paweł Kamalski here, and I'm the chair of the Legal and Ethical Issues Committee that I will very briefly present here. And the co-chair of the committee is my learned colleague Walter Scholger, who, despite being a member of the Austrian consortium, cannot be with us today because of health problems. Just a minor infection, nothing serious, but kudos to Walter. So our key achievements in 2025 was first and foremost our joint paper for the CLARIN conference 2025, for this very conference. And you can see the oral presentation of the paper this afternoon. I hope you like it. I hope you'll find it interesting. And especially I hope that it will spark a debate about the future of CLARIN resources and the metadata in particular. We've been liaising with other similar groups. Our equivalent for DARIA, which is the ELDA working group, as well as the CORA ERIP working group. And together with those two groups, we organized a joint panel at the DH conference, where we were represented by Walter, who specifically presented CLIC and its work on ethical issues. We liaised with Text Plus working group on legal issues. Text Plus, as many of you know, is a part of the German national research data infrastructure. And together with our Text Plus colleagues, we published a paper in peer-reviewed journal on legal issues in derived text formats. We have also liaised with other ERICs. I had the pleasure to give a presentation during a webinar organized as part of the ERIC Forum on legal issues in, privacy and data protection in AI tools. I personally have published a chapter in a book about standardization of language resources, which is very soon to be published, and that contains a proposal for a new metadata scheme that would address legal issues. We have also done our part in assisting the NCF. I was invited to present at an NCF meeting on legal issues, and in particular the AI Act. And also at the national level, our Spain colleagues, Spain is represented by Herman Rigau in the CLIC. So our Spanish colleagues have organized a series of webinars on the AI Act in Spain for researchers. Now, as far as our ongoing activities, we discussing new metadata for language resources under the AI Act, and this will be developed in the presentation I mentioned this afternoon. We are working on joint submissions, certainly for LREC, a workshop proposal, and maybe also for Digital Humanities 2026. And we are going to organize a CLARIN Cafe on LLMs as general purpose AI models under the AI Act. Our plans for 2026. So our plans are mostly centered around the AI Act that we would like to address both from the theoretical perspective through presentations, publications, workshops, training sessions, but also from a more practical angle by proposing some actual modifications to the CLARIN infrastructure. And we will start with new metadata for CLARIN resources. And we will also continue liaising with TextPlus, Daria, Koara, and other similar groups. And as always, we will prepare a joint submission for the CLARIN Annual Conference 2026. Thank you very much, and see you this afternoon for our presentation.